crowd felt loud, felt like a shadow in a painted crowd. Tried to follow, but it wasn't me. Just echoes where my voice should be. I've learned to listen past the noise, to find the strength in my own choice. Some walk with me, not out in front. They don't push me to be what I'm not. They show up real, they let me grow. They're the ones I trust to help me flow. I move to my own beat, not made to repeat. I've got a rhythm that's mine alone, a path that's winding, not overgrown. I don't need to blend or hide. I got truth I hold with pride. I'm not lost, I'm just complete, dancing to my own beat. I've seen the masks that people wear, trying to fit what isn't there. But I got colors they never seen, and dreams that don't need to be routine. I won't shrink down to fit a frame. I've got my own name, my own flame. I trust the ones who lift me high, who don't ask why I reach the sky. They don't shade me, they just see the strength in letting me be me. No need to follow, no need to chase. I've got my own time, my own pace. I move to my own pace.